And now I'm going to show you what I did. Mine was broken, so I'm going to start by that one, which is going to be harder. So first thing, get a drill, and we're going to drill around this here. One, and you keep going, and you go a little sideways. So now the center is off. What we need to do, there's a piece of metal here. We gotta cut in there, but not cut into the actual subframe. Yeah, look at that. And there you go. Done. So we gotta do this for all the 7 bushings. I did 3 already. I'll keep doing this on the other ones and go back when it's ready. This is a pain, so this is what I'm doing now to take the rust. You see everywhere here. Now I do like this. And I've been doing this for the past, what, hour and a half. So, yeah. Should I wash it after? So you can get more rust? It's washed and dry. I'm gonna get a rust barrier from Duplicate Color. Little color. Yeah. This is supposed to be good to paint over rust, so we clean as much as we could and then we're gonna paint it now. Right, so on a blink of an eye, the bushings are gonna be here. This blink of an eye took like 3 weeks, but we got it all. So we have the front or the rear differential bushings. Actually this points to the front and is very good ECS tuning. There's this metal part which makes it expand as it goes in, so you put in the car and then when you push this here it actually locks in place. It's very hard. It comes with those bolts which fits here perfectly. Larger differential bushing, which is the one that goes on the back, on the rear of it, and then we have the 4 bushings. This is ECS tuning and this one is garagistic. We're going to start by putting those big ones, so we're going to get those ones that have the cut like this. See this? And just so you know, because it comes all separate like this, so you need to see, for example, top front like this, and then top front with the top front makes one. It's one large, one small, and now you know the small goes right here and the cuts goes on top of this. So the shallow part, or the deeper here actually, goes like this. You just need to be sure that is aligned. So before you push, we need to put some of those grease that comes with it. This is from the other kit, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a little bit on the side. There you go. Beautiful. Take this pin out. So I'm just gonna go from the bottom and sandwich it. There you go, just a little bit. When you push, it's going to be tight, a lot's gonna come out anyways. And this side here, I'm gonna make life easier. I'm just gonna do like this. And done. And now, finally, this side. Let's use our trick. There you go. And now, we need to push the differential. So this is it right here. I'm gonna put some of this, which is gonna help slide in. Whew. And now it comes with this bolt and ECS tuning, like aluminum top part, and already has this grease in here. So this is gonna keep this tight in there. Look at that. This is a perfect tight fit, and this is fits like a glove. It's almost like it was made for it. Of course it was made for it. And this is how it's looking so far. Not bad, huh? And just we need to put a big one back there. So we're gonna do the same thing. I got here the poly grease around, and then we're gonna push it. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the pin in the middle. Now we align. Perfect. And alright, it was fun. I'm dirty already. No, we are going to end this video. In next video I'm gonna put this in the car, which should be pretty easy, and then I'm gonna put everything together. There is a new lower control arm. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I was waiting for this moment so I could put stuff back together in my car. I'm excited to go drifting. Next step is gonna be, there's another sequence of 3 videos of me cutting the car, building this bar, and I'm going to put everything together. It's gonna look like a normal car. So don't miss out. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Later.